In this video, you'll learn how to activate the followers option in your Facebook account. It's a very simple tutorial, so make sure you watch it until the end. The first thing you do after you open a Facebook is you go on the three dashes at the bottom right corner, and here you have your settings right here. You want to go on your settings, and from there you want to first click on the privacy settings under the privacy tab. You go there and you want to make sure that down below who can send you friend requests, you want to click on it and make sure you have friends of friends enabled. Not everyone, you want to have friends of friends. Leave it at that. So then what you can do is go back 2 times and under the privacy tab again click on public posts. You click on it and here you can see a few options about following or the actual thing you wanted to do. This is why you search for this video. You want to make sure all of these options are set to public, everything should be public, and this is how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, give me a like. See you next one. Bye.